Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Automated cleaners promise lower OPEX and higher yield, but if you misspec them, they can lock your portfolio into a cost structure that never pays back. You're not buying robots, you're buying a long-term cash flow profile. And the real question is not, does the system clean panels? The real question is, does it improve portfolio economics under your actual site conditions? That's why ClearSpot's AI agents evaluate automated cleaning systems using real operational data, not marketing assumptions. Here's what the platform monitors. First, pre- and post-cleaning performance ratio. Second, water usage, energy consumption, and cleaning cycle efficiency. Third, mechanical wear patterns, downtime frequency, and maintenance events. The AI agent continuously tracks soiling loss with and without automation. Then it converts those operational signals into a live ROI curve. Instead of asking, "Are the robots working?" the dashboard answers, "Are they improving cost per megawatt hour?" Traditionally, teams run separate manual versus automated cleaning experiments using disconnected spreadsheets and inconsistent reporting. That process is slow and difficult to scale. ClearSpot simplifies the workflow. The platform ingests SCADA, drone inspections, cleaning schedules, and maintenance records into one operational view. The agent then flags whether automation is truly reducing soiling loss, lowering labor cost, or improving net yield recovery. That means asset managers get faster answers without building custom analytics models for every site. Now let's talk about where automated systems actually make sense. Automation often performs well in desert environments, water-constrained regions, and high-frequency soiling sites. But there are portfolios where well-timed manual cleaning still outperforms capital-heavy robotic systems. For example, sites with low annual soiling rates, seasonal rainfall recovery, or limited row access constraints. The platform compares these operational conditions directly against expected payback timelines. That prevents teams from scaling automation where the economics don't support it, and the workflow doesn't stop after installation. This is where AI agents act as operational guardrails. The platform continuously monitors cleaning effectiveness, maintenance drift, robot downtime, and changing site conditions, because even a strong business case can erode over time if the system becomes misconfigured, cleaning efficiency drops, or maintenance overhead quietly increases. The agent keeps validating whether the original ROI assumptions still hold. The automated cleaning ROI sheet and a sample case study review are included in this episode's resource pack. They include cleaning payback models, operational KPI templates, and side-by-side cost comparisons between manual and automated workflows. Access the full resource pack through the ClearSpot demo page by requesting the automated cleaning resource for this video. Because the goal isn't to automate cleaning. The goal is to automate profitable cleaning. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.